How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and as you can see, we got the K1500 right here. And you might have seen if you're one of the older followers to the channel, this bridge set up in this parking lot. Why, you might say? Because this is where the idea of Trucks and Water originated. This is where my addiction to trucks got started, was this parking lot right here. This was the school parking lot in high school I used to park in when I went to school in downtown. So you can imagine the shenanigans we've done back here in my Dodge Ram 1500 I had and my Nissan Pathfinder SUV I had. We would make a circle track circuit like around the poles and stuff. There was, sorry about the wind noise guys, but some absolute crazy times down here. The reason why I come down here though is for big videos. There's two spots. There's the first ever spot I did a video at that I saved for special videos, and then this spot. And I feel like this spot's appropriate to see how far I've come since I was 17 years old to now of the old age of 22. Yeah, I'm 22 years old and I feel old as crap. We have finally hit on the channel 5,000 plus subscribers on the YouTube channel. That's right guys, you all have grown the channel to 5,000 plus followers, all because of my K1500, me traveling, me doing truck events, truck reviews, and you know, part mods, or part reviews. It's absolutely crazy the support I have on this channel for the truck, me, the Trucks and Water lifestyle, and everything. It wouldn't have been done without you all, and I can't thank you all enough for what you've done with my truck, the future of the channel, and everything. Guys, when I first started Trucks and Water, I'll be honest with you, I just did it because I think it would be funny for me and my friends to do it. I didn't think it would turn into something the way it did now. It's an amazing feeling to know that there's 5,000 plus of you all that tune into the channel every week for videos and everything like that, and social media and everything of that nature. So this is going to be a quick video, but I do want to say thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much for what you've done to the channel. Without you all, leveling kit wouldn't have happened. Wheels and tires probably wouldn't have happened as soon as they did. My vinyl sickness sponsorship wouldn't have happened. Make sure you use the code down in the description to get 15% off your order at checkout. And my Harper tire sponsorship wouldn't have happened. Also, without you all, Lost Fit LED would not have sent me headlights to try out on my truck, and they are fan-freaking-tastic. Without you all, this not would have happened. I would not have the decals sitting in the back of my truck if it wasn't for you all. And I can't thank you all. Words can't describe how grateful I am for each and every single one of you. No matter what the comment is, if you like or dislike a video, if I didn't do the video you wanted to do, no matter what guys, thank you all so much for your support. This is just the beginning. I've been doing this for basically 2 years now, and I'm just telling you right now, this is just the beginning. A lot of people say success is driven off how much you put in, which is true. What you put in is what you get out. But it takes freaking time. It takes time to build something that you've always dreamt of. And have I accomplished all my goals? No, I probably accomplished 15 to 25% of my life's goals right now. But if you keep pressing forward, guys, and you never, ever give up on that dream or dreams, you will accomplish it one day. Doors will open, doors will close. It's unreal what I've learned through this experience of doing what I've done. And you all have helped me out along the way. I want to thank my friends and family for being there through everything from the very beginning to right now, through thick and thin. All the friends I've met because of Trucks and Water, because of the truck, because I went to truck meet. I want to thank you all so much too. I have friends in almost every state in the Southeast, if not all over the country now, because of Trucks and Water. It's unreal the support that you all give me. So thank you all from the bottom of my heart again. I can't thank you all enough for the support. And remember guys, just keep moving forward and never give up on your dreams. If you like this video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, trying new better things. I've had a lot of you say that you're not getting my videos when I post them up. Make sure you click that notification bell. It helps me out. Make sure you like the video. It also helps me out to grow the channel. I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment them down below. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.